Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Finding the address book in Mozilla Thunderbird is very easy once you know where to look. Many users struggle because the interface changes with different updates. In the latest versions of Thunderbird, the address book icon is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the vertical toolbar known as the Spaces toolbar. This bar contains several icons for mail, calendar, and tasks. The address book icon looks like a small silhouette of a person or a small book with a person on it. Click this icon to open your full contact list in a new tab. If you do not see the Spaces toolbar, you can also find the address book using the top menu bar. On a Mac, look at the very top of your computer screen. On Windows, you might need to press the Alt key on your keyboard to make the menu bar appear. Once the menu bar is visible, click on the word Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Address Book. Another quick way to access your contacts is by using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Shift+B at the same time. If you are using a Mac, press Command+Shift+B, this will instantly launch the address book window. You can also find a shortcut button within the right window when composing a new email. Look at the top toolbar of the message window for the address book button. These methods ensure you can always find your contacts quickly and easily regardless of which version you currently use on your device.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.